Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy and inexpensive candy cane door hanger. For this DIY, you're going to need a metal candy cane wreath form from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need one pair of these adorable Snug-a-Doo adult size long socks. And these are so comfy too, so buy an extra pair for yourself. First, you're going to want to take your sock, spread it out, and you're going to cut the toe out of it. So I'm just cutting straight across on one of the stripes. So you're not going to need the toe part of the sock. And then you're just going to take it and you are going to thread the sock on the candy cane frame. This is so simple and easy and doesn't take long at all, and this would be perfect for a craft night. Inexpensive, easy, and I have the bow tutorial for you too, and it's real simple. So I'm just threading the sock on the frame. Then once I get to the end, I'm going to add a little hot glue to make sure and close the end. So just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. And then you're just going to close the end, hold it for just a little bit and let it have time to dry, but make sure you don't glue it down to the table. And then you're going to do the same steps on the other sock. Now that I have both ends hot glued on, where the two socks meet, kind of pull the heel part to the back of the wreath and then line them up. Try to hot glue them so that the stripes line up on each sock. You may have to, on the back, kind of pull the heel to the back side of the wreath and hot glue it down so that it doesn't come around front. Also, if you wanted to use another pair of socks and just cut off the toe and heel and just use the straight part of the long socks, you could do that with two pairs of socks instead of one. So that's always an option if you want to spend a little more money. Now we're ready to tie a simple bow. This is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire. You'll want to use ribbon with wire to make your bow. So first we're going to let out a tail, about a 5-inch tail, and then you're going to pinch your ribbon together. And I like to hold mine in my left hand. Now we're going to make a loop, pinch it together. Now you've made your first loop, about a 4-inch loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, let out some more ribbon. Make another loop the same size as your first loop. So we're just doing a single bow. Add it to your hand, let out a tail, and then you'll want to have a zip tie and some floral wire close by. So now I have my bow made. Now I'm going to take a zip tie and wrap it around the center of the bow. If you do not have a zip tie, then you can use floral wire, and I like to use 20 gauge floral wire. So just get it nice and tight around the center. Then I'm going to trim the extra part of the zip tie off. Then I'm going to dovetail the tails. So you're going to take the tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Or you could do a knife cut where you cut the tail at a slant. It's up to you. So just make sure you do both ends, and then you're going to fluff the loops on your bow. And to attach this bow to our wreath, I'm going to take some 20 gauge floral wire, thread the wire underneath the zip tie. That way I can easily attach it to my craft project. And I usually pick up my 20 gauge floral wire at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that sell the wire, and it's inexpensive. So I'm just threading the wire underneath the zip tie. And then I'm going to take those wires and I'm going to take my candy cane, and I am going where I connected the 2 socks together, threading the wires through the socks, through the wire frame. Then I'm going to go to the back of the wreath, twist the wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. Now you could add some Christmas floral picks or anything else to decorate your candy cane. I'm just keeping mine simple with a bow. You'll have to let me know what you think of this simple candy cane wreath. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. At the end of this video, I added a clip of a snowman door swag that I made on a 5-gallon paint stir stick, and it was really simple to make. So if you like it, I will link that tutorial in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.